Isigodlile enkantolo yaseThekwini isinqumo mayelana nokubuyiselwa ke kwecala ke enkantolo yaseThekwini ke lokubangwa kwelogo phakathi kwe-African National Congress nomkhonto wesizwe phakathi kweqembu laloyo umongameli wakuleli mnumzane Jacob Zuma okuyiqembu lesithathu ngobukhulu ezwenikazi laseNingizimu Afrika. Uzokhumbula ukuthi ke inkantolo yalithola ke lingenalo icala iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe phakathi ukuthi lisebenzise igama elithi umkhonto wesizwe liphinde futhi lisebenzise yona ke ilogo yomkhonto wesizwe ke ekhomba ke ugwaza ke phakathi nendawo futhi ke iphethe hawo ozoyikhumbula ukuthi ke eyomkhonto wesizwe military wing okuyi military wing eyayingaphansi kwe-African National Congress ngaphambi ukuthi ke-African National Congress ke idisbande kumbe ihlakaze ke yayinelogo yayikhomba phezulu. Lelicala ke belihanjelwe nawo yena ke laphana kwabangumongameli ke wakuleli umnumzana Jacob Zuma ke kanye nabanye abaholi singabala kubona abaholi bentsha abaholi ke base parliament ke kanye namanye ama-members omkhonto wesizwe kanti ke umholi wentsha uBonginkosi Khanyile ubeke kanje malana nalolu daba.
Comrades, we are clear. The logo of MK belongs to MK members. This MK is our own organization. It's an organization that does not belong to Groenewald. It's an organization that does not belong to Helen Zille. It's an organization that does not belong to Cyril. It belongs to black people. It belongs to me and you. Umbalula wazinge MK. Uzokhalela iMK ube wena unayo iGNU yakho nopresident wakho Helen Zille. Yindaba umbalule engahamba yodimanda ilogo ye-DA ayeke iMK ngoba iMK eyabantu base South Africa abansundu. Comrades, sibahlulile kuma elections. We won KwaZulu Natal convincingly, and that is a fact. You can steal elections, you can rob us, but it does not change the fact that we have won elections in KwaZulu Natal and we are in charge. These are the people of KwaZulu Natal who are supporting us here and at home. Comrades, sifuna ukucacisa ukuthi sabahlula ngehlandla lokuqala besifaka enkantolo.
Sisekulo lokudaba akasalaya ngaphandle ke yena laphana ku-SG walo iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe phakathi umnumzane Arthur Zwane ukuthi aqinisekise futhi aphinde akhumbuze abantu ade bethameleke kona ke leli cala namhlanje ukuthi ke ayikho into ekuthiwa i-Government of National Unity akumuze ke ezichazela.
Akufuni sibe siyinika igama sithi GNU, akusi GNU, i-alliance kaRamaphosa no Helen Zille egqiba isithunzi somuntu omnyama. Singalinge siyibize ngegama elithi GNU ngoba i-unity suke sikhuluma nge-unity yomuntu omnyama elwele inkululeko yakhe. It is not GNU. It is an alliance between abathengisi nabaphathi babo. Njalo masikhuluma, we must be very clear, comrades. There is no unity, there is alliance between the sellouts, which is the ANC, and the whites that represent the interest zabo njengabantu ababenefita kuhulumeni obandlululo. We must define it. Sithi ngesiNgisi, a beginning of wisdom in a revolution is to call something by its name.
Nabaholi bezenkolo ngaphasi kweqembu lomkhonto wesizwe phakathi baqhubekile ke ukukhulekela ke iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe phakathi belinxusela kumdali wezwe nomhlaba ukuthi ke akaqhubeka abe nalo iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe phakathi njengoba libhekene nalesimo libhekene naso. Umkhuleko komfundisi omkhulu weqembu lomkhonto wesizwe phakathi kubheka kakhulu laphana ke kuyena kaphana ku-SG weqembu le-African National Congress umnumzane Fikile Mbalula.
Singamasosha omkhonto saze savelelwa abantu bakaGogo abahlukane nathi weNkulunkulu awushaye no-17 oMbalula akahlukane nathi ngothalala umuntu kaBaba simile siyindawo siwumkhonto. Amen.
ongumkhulumeli weqembu lomkhonto wesiziphathi uNhlamulo Ndlela kube sethinta ke olunye udaba ke silicaphune lapho ke khona kade ekhuluma nezinye ke zeintatheli ke ngodaba lakhe laphana ke uJabulani Khumalo ukuthi ke waba nephutha kakhulu ukuthenini ke adayise lona ke iqembu lomkhonto wesiziphathi.
A revolutionary, sad state of affairs. If Jabulani Khumalo was serious, he should have come very early days instead of taking us to court and embarrassing the party and embarrassing himself, including embarrassing future generations of his children that are still to be born. It's sad. So Jabulani Khumalo, quite honestly, at this point is a persona non grata for this party. The people don't even want to see him, and that's that. Lost cause.